Hello class. Today we are doing revision of our third chapter named A Hero, written by R.K. Narayan. In this chapter we have already read about a small boy named Swami. We have read about his bravery. We have read how he used to slept after the command of his father alone in office room, and we are going to discuss now question answer of it. Here, each statement given below contains one wrong word phrase which makes the complete statement false. Okay, underline the wrong word or phrase and replace them with the correct ones. To make the statements true, one has been done for you. Clear? These statements are wrong and right statements are written here. And what is our first question? How did Swami react the news of the village lad's bravery? How was his reaction different from his father's reaction? Here in this question, you have to give answer in 30 words. It is written here. So you will write here that Swami was not convinced with the news of the village lad's bravery. Okay, he could not imagine that a boy could fight with a tiger and escape. Clear to you all? And further you can write that his idea was much more different from his father here, because he thought that a boy can't be so much strong. Okay, and his thinking was so much different from his father. What was the challenge given to Swami by his father? How did he receive it? Swami's father had given him a challenge that you have to sleep alone in the office room. Okay, firstly he was not seeming that he was serious, but when he had taken it as the command of his father, that time he had to receive it, means he had to receive it as a command. And then he had decided, means he had followed all sorts of those things which his father had told him, means he had to sleep alone in office room. Next is describe Swami's feeling in the office room at night. Of course, while he was sleeping alone in office room, he filled with fear. Every time he was thinking about the devils, that they will come and take him away. How did Swami catch the burglar? Swami had thought that the burglar was a devil who is going to tear him up. Okay, as he came nearer to him, he just hugged it and used his teeth on it like a mortal weapon. Okay, then his father also came there, and they caught this burglar. Here is given father thought, Swami thought. Okay, you can fill it up and do it yourself. Now hearts, courage is everything. Strength and age are not important. Do you agree? Why not? Yes, we are agree with it, because if we have courage to do any sort of work, then there is no bar of strength and age. As we have read in the chapter that small boy had fought with a tiger, and here we have also read that Swami also slept alone in office room in the darkness. In life skill, would you call Swami a hero? Why not? Of course he is a hero, because while he slept that time, he had also faced a burglar, but with his courage he had caught him. And in values, what you will do is, it said that Swami did not like the strain of cruelty of his father's nature. Is Swami's father really cruel? It is not means proved statement, because being the son of his father, might be he was thinking about it, but Swami's father had wanted to taught him the chapter of courage. Okay, so he had decided it all, that you have to sleep alone in office room. Next chapter is our about Manju, Fight Manju Fight by Sigrun Srivastava. Okay, here we will read about, we have already read about Manju. Okay, how she had been indulged in her painting and which sort of problems she had faced in her life. Let's discuss question answer of it. Why did Manjula wear wrong shoes most of the time? Manjula wore wrong shoes most of the time because there were not any shoes in the market which can be fit for her clumsy feet. Okay. Next, why did Manjula need extra money? She needed extra money for color and paint. Where was her mother's piggy bank? Her mother's piggy bank was in kitchen. It was in the top shelf of the kitchen cupboard. And next is, how many knots were tied on the gift given by Manjula's brother? There were 11 knots were tied on the gift given by Manjula's brother, who was rich blagger here. He was a player who used to play with artificial feet. Okay. Next, handling brushes was no problem for Manjula. Then what was the real problem in learning painting? Real problem in learning painting was the cost of learning material. Okay. Next is, Manjula used to drift to another world. What was there in this another world of Manjula? She always used to think a beautiful world of color paints. Okay. What were the three gifts that Manjula received on her birthday? It was beautiful color box and set of artist. It is okay. Artist, we can say, also colors it. Next was your it was a painting book, we can say, where you people used to do painting, and name of it was Step by Step, and other three watercolor brushes were there. Third gift of her. Okay. Why did Manjula tear her painting into pieces? She tore her painting into pieces because she had heard conversation of her parents, and she had evaluated that her father had no interest in her painting. Her father's ignorance towards her painting had made her in grief. Okay, so she did it. Which sentence was underlined in red in the newspaper cutting? The sentence was, his parents did not like it. Okay, because they want to also give her information that we don't like your habit of painting. Now in hearts, discuss the importance of having positive attitude in life. Okay, in this chapter, actually you can also write your own experience in it, but here in the chapter, as Manjula always used to think about the painting, so in gift she had got all these sorts of things which were necessary for herself. So if we have positive attitude, then of course God will also help us and show the right direction. And in life skill, physically challenged people do not need sympathy, they need encouragement. Discuss. Actually, physically challenged people means it's not their mistake. Okay, creation is of God, so we can't do anything in it. But if there is any sort of people in our surrounding, then we must encourage them, and we must not behave them that and showing them again and again that you are having these sorts of illness or these sort of impairments. And in values, sometimes Manjula was not too sure whether her brother was mischievous or simply mean. Discuss with your partner. There are so many examples which shows that her brother was mischievous, but there are another examples also which shows that he also used to help her and wanted that her sister must do something else in her life. And here in the writing skill, you have to write a diary entry.